Glendale Tower, Cessna 64056, Alpha 1, runway 1, ready for departure, student solo.
Cessna 056, report right midfield downwind, all passes, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, will report midfield downwind, Cessna 056.
From 1 Delta Lima for exchange approved.
Frequency change approved for 1 Delta Lima, see you in a bit.
Start, restart. Final is clear. Hatches indicated. Full throttle. Green, airspeed alive. Rotate. Rudder right.
Good morning, Tower, Navy Cub 68490, number 1 holding short, ready for takeoff via far to the north.
Navy Cub 68490, going to the tower, hold short, runway 1, landing traffic.
Holding short, runway 1, landing traffic, Cub 490.
.76 knots. Full throttle, rich mixture.
Kilos going around.
Cessna 1 kilo, roger, follow Cessna on the upwind.
Cessna on the upwind, following 71 kilo.
Navy Cub 68490, runway 1, clear for takeoff, northbound approved, outside the Cessna midfield.
Outside the Cessna, clear for takeoff, runway 1 to the north, Cub 490.
Midfield downwind, Cessna 056.
Cessna 056, runway 1, clear to land.
Runway 1, clear to land, 056.
Glendale Tower, represents 890 to uniform, clear, ready for takeoff, 01.
Bonanza 890 to uniform, Glendale Tower, no delay, runway 1, clear for takeoff, traffic, Cessna, turn to right base.
02 uniform, we got him.
71 kilo, midfield.
Cessna 71 kilo, number 2, following Cessna, base final, runway 1, clear, touch and go.
Runway 1, clear, touch and go, 71 kilo.
Go 490 for exchange approved.
490, thank you, sir.
Okay. Glendale Tower, Cessna 64056, Alpha 1, runway 1, ready for departure.
Cessna 64056, follow Cessna on the go midfield, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, 056.
71 kilo midfield.
Cessna 71 kilo, runway 1, clear, touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 1, 71 kilo.
Heading is, final is clear. Runway matches heading. Full power, right rudder, center line. Airspeed alive, engine instruments the green. Rotate at 50, right rudder.
Runway 1, clear, touch and go.
Touch and go, 71 kilo, clear.
Cessna 2 November Mike, give way taxiing Cessna, runway 1, taxi via Alpha over this freak.
Give way to taxiing Cessna, taxi via Alpha to runway 1, 802 November Mike.
Glendale Tower, Cessna 2460 Juliet, holding Alpha 1, ready for takeoff westbound.
Experimental 56 Juliet, northbound for exchange approved.
Glendale Tower, Cessna 64056, Alpha 1, runway 1, ready for departure.
Cessna 64056, Glendale Tower, hold short, runway 1.
Holding short, runway 1, 056.
Underground, Alpha 4, 89 report, thanks.
Cessna 056, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1, clear for takeoff, 056. Final is clear. Alright, let's do this. Hey.
Glendale Tower, 802 November Mike, right midfield downwind.
Cessna 2 November Mike, extend downwind, I'll call you base.
Extend downwind, you'll call base, 802 November Mike.
Alright. Runway matches heading. Full power. Right rudder, heels on the ground. Engine instruments green, airspeed alive.
Glendale ground, 661 tank.
Hold on.
Holding short.
55 knots, rotate, lift.
Light Sport 661 Tango uniform, Glendale Tower, hold short, runway 1.
Holding short, runway 1, 1 Tango uniform. 661 Tango uniform, right midfield, downwind.
Light Sport 1 Tango uniform, extend downwind for departure, I'll call your base.
Extending downwind, 1 Tango uniform.
Thanks.